Seniors, before bed tonight, eat this one powerful food to help your eyes repair and strengthen vision while you sleep. It's natural, safe, and surprisingly effective. Stay till the end, because the final tip shows how to use it for the clearest, sharpest vision overnight. Let's begin with sweet potatoes, the first food that most people never even consider when they think about their eyes. On the surface, they might appear to be just a simple, comforting, starchy side dish, but in reality, they are one of the most powerful foods you can possibly eat for your vision, especially beneficial when enjoyed in the evening. Sweet potatoes are absolutely loaded with beta-carotene, a special nutrient your body cleverly transforms into vitamin A. This particular form of vitamin A is precisely what your eyes rely on every single night while you're deeply asleep, actively working to keep them robust and healthy. Just one serving gives your body more than enough of this vital fuel to support the delicate cells in your retina that are responsible for helping you see clearly in dim light and reducing the common strain that often comes with aging eyes. When you make a point to eat them in the evening, these incredible nutrients start flowing through your system and settle into your eyes, just in time for the natural repair work your body meticulously performs during deep sleep. To make the very most of their benefits, sweet potatoes are best baked or steamed with the skin still on, as that's where a significant portion of their rich nutrition actually resides. You should definitely skip the microwave, since it tends to strip away much of their natural goodness. And here's a small, yet profoundly important tip. Adding just a teaspoon of healthy fat like coconut oil or grass-fed butter dramatically helps your body absorb that vital beta-carotene much more efficiently. Try having one medium-sized sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed, and you'll not only enjoy a warm, comforting snack, but also give your eyes the powerful support they truly need to recharge throughout the night. Next up is wild-caught salmon, and this one is truly extraordinary for your eyes. This magnificent fish is absolutely packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, along with a unique and powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin. Together, these two compounds work like a formidable team, providing both crucial fuel and strong protection for your vision. The retina in your eyes, that incredibly delicate part responsible for sight, is largely made up of fatty acids, and more than half of that is DHA, the exact type of omega-3 found so abundantly in salmon. When you're asleep at night, your body diligently uses DHA to restore and rebuild the delicate photoreceptor cells that enable you to see clearly. This means that by choosing to eat salmon in the evening, you are directly giving your eyes the raw materials they desperately need to repair themselves while you rest. On top of that, astaxanthin acts like a natural shield, helping to defend your eyes from the harsh blue light stress caused by everyday things like TV screens, phones, or even those bright street lamps at night. The absolute key here is to choose wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Wild salmon consistently contains much higher levels of both beneficial omega-3s and potent astaxanthin, making it far more effective for profound eye health. Preparation also plays a significant role. To keep those delicate fats intact and maximize their benefits, gently bake a fillet at a low temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for just 12 to 15 minutes. Season it lightly with a touch of turmeric and black pepper to boost its natural anti-inflammatory power, and pair it with something gentle like quinoa or brown rice to help keep your blood sugar stable through the night. Eating about 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon 2 hours before bed can be a simple, incredibly delicious way to not only support your overall health, but also give your eyes exactly what they need to heal and stay wonderfully sharp as you sleep. Another food that often gets overlooked but can do absolute wonders for your eyes is the goji berry. These tiny, vibrant red berries may look simple, but they are positively loaded with unique nutrients that directly support your vision, especially the crucial part of your eye responsible for sharp, clear central sight. Goji berries are, in fact, the richest natural source of zeaxanthin you can possibly find, and this powerful compound plays a key role in protecting your macula, the vital area of your eye that allows you to read the newspaper, drive safely, and recognize faces clearly. Zeaxanthin also acts like natural sunglasses, diligently filtering out harmful blue light from screens and bright lamps that can cause long-term strain and irreversible damage. What makes goji berries even more fascinating is how incredibly well they work when eaten in the evening. Your body absorbs their precious nutrients more efficiently at night, which means enjoying them before bed can give your eyes the absolute best chance to utilize these compounds while they're going through their natural restorative repair cycle during sleep. To enjoy them the right way, take about an ounce of organic goji berries and soak them in warm water for 10 minutes to soften them, or simply stir them into something calming like plain Greek yogurt. Try to avoid having them with coffee or tea, since those drinks can actually block how well your body absorbs all the good stuff. And if you're taking medications like blood thinners or diabetes drugs, it's always best to start with a very small amount and consult your doctor, as goji berries can interact with them. A simple yet effective trick is to pair them with a handful of raw almonds, because the vitamin E in almonds works hand in hand with zeaxanthin to significantly strengthen and protect the delicate cells in your retina. Eating this powerful combination about an hour before bed is not just a healthy snack, but also a truly natural way to give your eyes extra vital support so they can stay remarkably sharp and resilient as you gracefully age. For years, many of us have been told to skip the yolk in eggs because of concerns about cholesterol. But when it comes to truly magnificent eye health, the yolk is, without a doubt, the most valuable part of the entire egg. Organic egg yolks are one of the richest and most easily absorbed sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, precisely the nutrients your eyes vitally need to stay strong and clear as you age. These two critical compounds gather diligently in the macula, that small but absolutely crucial part of your eye that helps you see fine details, effectively reduces glare, and filters out harmful blue light. And here's something profoundly important to remember. The deeper and richer the orange color of the yolk, the more powerful it is. Yolks from pasture-raised organic chickens can contain up to 10 times the lutein compared to regular mass-produced store-bought eggs. Eating them in the evening gives your body the perfect chance to use those precious nutrients during sleep, precisely when your eyes go through their natural and essential repair process. The cholesterol in egg yolks, far from being harmful in this context, actually acts like a sophisticated delivery system, expertly carrying fat-soluble vitamins and powerful antioxidants directly into the cells of your retina where they are needed most urgently. But how you cook them matters just as much as eating them. To meticulously preserve all those delicate, beneficial compounds, you absolutely want to keep the heat low and the cooking time short. Softly scrambling them in a little butter or ghee is absolutely perfect because it keeps the yolks wonderfully creamy and rich without destroying their incredible benefits. What you definitely don't want to do is overcook them, because high heat can tragically strip away most of their protective power. So having 1 or 2 organic pasture-raised egg yolks in the evening, cooked gently and savored with a small amount of healthy fat, is truly one of the simplest and most delicious ways to give your eyes the lutein and zeaxanthin they desperately need to stay clear, sharp, and remarkably resilient throughout the night. Bilberries are one of those hidden treasures that many people have never even heard of, yet they have been revered and used for generations to powerfully protect and sharpen vision. In fact, there's a fascinating and famous story from World War II when Royal Air Force pilots reportedly ate bilberry jam before flying nighttime missions because they noticed it helped them see more clearly in the dark. Today we understand precisely why bilberries are absolutely bursting with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that crucially help your eyes regenerate rhodopsin, a vital protein your eyes depend on to adjust to darkness and process light properly. This becomes even more critical as we gracefully age because the natural ability of our eyes to adapt to low light slowly but surely decreases. For seniors who struggle with the early stages of macular degeneration, bilberries have been clinically shown to slow down the progression of the disease in some cases by an astonishing more than 70% over 2 years. That's not just an impressive number, it directly translates to less eye strain, sharper night vision, and in some truly heartwarming cases, even being able to read without glasses again. Again, the very best way to enjoy bilberries is raw, since the heat from cooking can easily damage their delicate compounds. If you only have frozen bilberries, don't worry at all. Just let them thaw and be sure to eat both the berries and the juice. because freezing actually enhances some of their incredible benefits. There's also a clever little trick to make them even more powerful. Avoid eating them with citrus fruits or vitamin C supplements at the exact same time, since that particular combination can actually cancel out some of their incredible effects. Instead, try pairing them with a handful of crunchy walnuts. The healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds found in walnuts work hand in hand with bilberries, powerfully boosting their ability to reduce inflammation and protect the sensitive tissues in your eyes. This simple, truly delicious evening snack is not only satisfying, but also one of the absolute best natural ways to keep your eyes wonderfully clear, your vision steady, and your nights brighter even as you grow older. Black currants are undoubtedly one of the most underrated vision-protecting foods available, yet they have so much extraordinary to offer, especially for seniors who want to meticulously protect their eyesight at night. These small, dark purple berries are positively packed with vitamin C, which not only significantly strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, but also vigorously fights off oxidative stress that slowly yet steadily wears down vision over time. What makes black currants truly unique and powerful, though, is a rare omega-6 fatty acid called GLA. Unlike most omega-6s that can unfortunately cause inflammation, GLA actually does the remarkable opposite. It helps to calm inflammation and directly nourishes the delicate tissues of your eyes. Research has consistently shown that black currants can effectively lower eye pressure, sharpen vision, and even provide crucial support for people in the early stages of glaucoma, a condition many older adults rightfully worry about. Having about 1.5 cups of fresh or frozen black currants before bed, or simply taking just a couple of tablespoons of black currant seed oil, can make a very real, tangible difference. To get the absolute most benefit, always pair them with a little healthy fat. Something as simple as a spoonful of cottage cheese, some plain Greek yogurt, or a few raw nuts works beautifully. The fat helps your body absorb the powerful compounds inside the berries much more effectively. Just remember this vital point. Never cook or heat them because high temperatures destroy their delicate antioxidants and beneficial fatty acids. When eaten raw in the evening, they harmoniously work with your body's natural repair processes during sleep, giving your eyes the precise nutrients they need to rest, heal, and prepare for the next day. This simple, consistent nightly habit can truly be a game changer in keeping your eyes strong, your vision wonderfully clear, and your precious independence beautifully intact. Saffron is often affectionately called the golden spice, and when it comes to profound eye health, it truly lives up to that esteemed name. What makes saffron so remarkably outstanding is that it contains two incredibly powerful compounds, crocin and crocutin, that don't just simply slow down age-related vision loss. They can actually help reverse some of the damage that has already occurred. For seniors genuinely worried about macular degeneration, this is nothing short of incredible news. In fact, one 6-month clinical trial revealed that saffron was able to restore function in photoreceptor cells, those light-sensitive cells in your retina that many experts once firmly believed could never be repaired. Imagine that, cells in your eyes, once thought to be permanently damaged, actually coming back to life and functioning again. The best way to utilize saffron for your precious eyes is delightfully simple. Take about 15 to 20 threads and gently steep them in warm milk, never boiling, for approximately 15 minutes. Drink this soothing mixture about an hour before bed, and as you sleep, the healthy fat in the milk will expertly help deliver saffron's active compounds directly to your retinal tissue. Many people report noticing significant improvements within just a few weeks: sharper vision, clearer, more vibrant colors, and significantly less strain when reading or driving at night. And beyond its truly miraculous impact on your eyes, saffron also has a wonderfully calming effect, helping you to relax and effortlessly drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. Think of it as a beautiful nightly ritual that not only powerfully protects your vision, but also profoundly supports your overall well-being. For something so small and delicate, saffron possesses the extraordinary power to make a life-changing difference in how you vividly see and experience the world each and every day. And now we've finally reached the food that truly stands at the very pinnacle when it comes to repairing and protecting your vision. raw cacao. And I want to be absolutely crystal clear here. I'm not talking about that heavily processed cocoa powder that's stripped of its goodness and turned into sugary hot chocolate mixes you see on most store shelves. I'm talking about pure, raw, unroasted cacao, the magnificent form that still holds on to hundreds of powerful compounds your eyes can incredibly use for repair while you sleep. And one of the key compounds in raw cacao is epicatechin, and this little nutrient is truly like a miracle worker for aging eyes. It dramatically improves blood flow straight to your retina, which means more vital oxygen and nutrients get to the cells that help you see so clearly. It also actively helps your eye cells build new mitochondria, those tiny power engines that fuel your vision. On top of that, raw cacao actually triggers the remarkable growth of new neurons in your optic nerve, the very pathway that sends images to your brain. That's precisely why some seniors who made cacao a regular part of their nightly routine didn't just slow down vision decline, they actually regained sharper sight, developed thicker retinas, and in certain astonishing cases, even reversed damage from diabetic eye disease. To make this incredibly powerful eye-repairing drink, take 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder and mix it with warm cashew milk. Add just a pinch of cinnamon and a touch of cayenne pepper. These not only improve absorption, but also help balance blood sugar through the night, which is so important. The timing matters too. For the absolute best results, drink it about 45 minutes before bed, and make sure to do it on an empty stomach so your body can fully absorb its profound benefits. One critically important reminder: never use Dutch processed cocoa, because the very process that makes it smoother also tragically wipes out the precious compounds that make raw cacao so incredibly healing. When done right, this evening ritual isn't just comforting. It's like sending your eyes to a high-tech repair shop overnight, so you wake up seeing the world a little clearer, a little brighter, and with more confidence in your vision. So, as you can now clearly see, nature has truly gifted us some incredibly powerful foods that can go to work on your eyes while you peacefully sleep. From the comforting goodness of sweet potatoes and the richness of wild-caught salmon to the unique benefits of goji berries, the historical power of bilberries, and even the extraordinary raw cacao, each one plays a unique and vital role in repairing, protecting, and strengthening your most precious vision. The absolute best part is that these are simple, completely natural foods that anyone can easily add to their nightly routine without complicated steps or incredibly expensive treatments. Just imagine for a moment waking up tomorrow with clearer sight, experiencing less strain, and feeling the genuine confidence that your eyes are staying wonderfully strong and resilient as you gracefully age. That is the incredible gift these foods can bring into your life if you simply give them a chance. If you found this video incredibly helpful and insightful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel right now so you absolutely don't miss our next empowering video. We'll be sharing even more natural and science-backed ways to keep your body strong and your mind sharp well into your golden years. And if you're ready to keep going right now and transform your health, click on the next video that's popping up on your screen. It's absolutely packed with tips that can change your health and energy starting tonight. Until then, take care of your eyes, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.